po yung mga bossing at ngayon panonood natin ito paggawa ng Sportman what? For what?
Oh, cover, your cover.
Only for cover.
Electrical cover.
This Dajer.
हाजी आया आज हाजी हाजी आया
हाजी आया?
नहीं है यार हाजी आया ना
Oy, sir. Sir.
आ जाए
Okay, aywa. Problem that chip.
6 बजे गया तो मुश्किल नहीं है मैं डाल देगा
Recording, alas wala recording
मैं डाल देगा उधर देख के ना अप्लाई नंबर है उसका लेसन डाल देगा मैं तो
No, that chips no Dajer no. Stand there.
Congratulations
Yeah, congratulations. Don't tell to anyone.
हाजी एम्प्लॉय नंबर क्या है तुम्हारा
Oh, congratulations. Congratulations. Promoted.
19
Pati uni.
मेरा 25 है ना
Sino pa pag
चार नंबर आ गया
Ano boy? Tell congratulations. Kuya. Delikado kasi tumatalsik yung yung chips niya. Ayan o. Ano ka baga pa o. Ang laki ng kain niya. Ang laki kasi ng pakain. Mga yan, delikado yan. Sa state pala yan ang motor. Bearing state pala yan. Foreman, why you not try this sleeve, bearing sleeve, bearing housing welding? Not good?
same rod available for good
Cast iron, huh?
cast iron rod same matching rod
Yes.
not
Not cast
Matching?
iron? Yes. Problem.
too much hard
Yes.
problem
Cast iron available, no?
matching rod not available same not full cast iron
Mm.
little more mix iron
Aha.
not a full cast iron full cast iron to be soft metal
Soft metal, yes.
this little more
Mix.
mix since the rod available no problem one
Yes.
part welding
Yeah, that's good, no? Better order, no?
huh?
Better we will order, no?
better mother this company no?
Then more easy work, no?
This welding.
Yes. Yes, welding then.
Hard same thing.
Yes.
Or actual, not a quick welding.
Yes.
One temperature,
Yes.
full temperature, फिर
Then
3
clean.
4 pass
Ah.
welding, फिर here not touch but stop.
Yes.
कपड़ा भी same thing ना.
Ah. Yeah.
Same high temperature cotton
Ah.
use.
Ah, Robert.
Either cover this one rummer cover.
Yes.
Welding, full welding, temperature, फिर temperature, फिर welding, फिर cover, फिर thermal cover, फिर not hard,
Ah, not hard.
soft.
Yes.
Already the welder, how welding okay. Too much hard. क्योंकि temperature जरूरी है. तो temperature जरूरी. Okay.
Ah.
Maximum welder, not information. Cast iron, technical welding.
Yes.
Bas, same thing, 7018.
Yes. No problem.
No, 7018, okay.
Okay, yes.
Welding, okay.
Yes. But this one need free.
Technical welding, cast iron. This
Yes.
one, first, temperature.
Yes.
Cast iron area, first, temperature. Second, here, welding.
Okay.
Full weight, temperature equal, temperature full welding.
Ah, Bob. कैसे? वालेकुम सलाम. Yes. Okay, man. Good. At yun nga pala para sa step pala natin yung bossing dito, no? Yan. Bali ito, hindi pa to na ano na rin. Ay, hindi pa. Para sa 22 kilowatt. At hanggang dito lang ang ating video mga bossing for today. Yun, pakisuporta na lang natin na YouTube channel. Sa mga hindi pa naka-like at subscribe, like and share na rin mga bossing. Salamat.